Everybody, I'm Jose, and this channel will be mostly unboxings and nerf videos and other fun stuff like that. And if you enjoy Funko Pops, that'd be cool too. If you want, I'll be doing reviews for those. If you want me to, I want to show you my room setup. I just have the Guardians of the Galaxy ship here. Just have some few characters on top. Here's my Avengers here. Pretty cool, huh? Some of the pieces are, I modified some characters to make them look more like them. It's pretty cool. So it's two members. Yeah, I got two of them. I'll show you a photo of Black Widow. That's Yoshi. Here I have some Nerf toys, some Nerf darts and stuff. This is really cool. I just on eBay. Just tell you. See that? It's really cool. Now I'm going to show you my Nerf, my Funko Pop collection. It's not 100% finished yet. There's just a few more dates coming in the mail, so it will take a few months to do so, but anyways, here it is. Every single one of these have that plastic thing on them, you know what I mean, to protect them. It took a while for me to do that. I organized each and every single one of these. I did buy a new Captain America one, but it's gonna be out soon anyways. Here's that's my favorite one. I got some of these on eBay, like the autograph ones. So yeah, still a load. Toys R Us. Another one from Toys R Us. That is pretty cool. That is on eBay too. Jessica Jones is my the very first Funko Pop I owned. Cool. Now with the DC. Notice I have a sideboard. They put the rest of the T-Titans up there. Anyways. Supergirl. I did that the new Batwoman should be coming in the mail soon. Yeah. I thought this big vlog about this one, so check it out. Yeah. This one is custom. That's a decent custom I made on eBay. Custom made on eBay. Sorry my camera off. Yeah. That's John from Halo, so you can see him. This is custom too. Yeah. The Ice Man Predator. Someone that's gonna be here. Tennis already from tennis. I just played it and it fell by accident, so it broke. So I did another one. But yeah, I just have it there. Sort of Like it, we're testing. Yeah, that's my new setup now. Alright, now have a great day, and I'll check out my second channel. I'll be there more than this one for now. I just want to make this video to show you guys how this. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.